Lord Ganesha was invoked to destroy all the obstacles on the path of progress in the worship of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna and his expansions. This is described in the Brahma Samhita. Yat pada pallava yuganga vinidhaya kumbha dvanave pranama samaye saganadi raja vignan vihantu malamasya jagatrayasya govindamadi purusham tamahang bhajami govindamadi purusham tamahang bhajami. I adore the primeval Lord Govinda, whose lotus feet are always held by Ganesha upon the pair of tumuli protruding from his elephant head, in order to obtain power for his function of destroying all the obstacles on the path of progress of the three worlds. In this regard, our Param Guru Dev Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur has explained that Lord Ganesha is in charge of destroying all of the obstacles in his one worship to the Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna. And to get that power for worshipping the Personality of Godhead Saguna Brahma, therefore he is himself worshipping and always keeping the lotus feet of Krishna, Govinda, on his elephant head. It also mentions that of the 5 devatas recommended to be worshipped, because of this special mercy of Govinda, Ganesha's worship in the beginning of every activity is especially auspicious.